Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to turn on Telnet client. Telnet is a protocol that allows you to connect to remote computers, called hosts, over a TCP/IP network, such as the Internet. Using Telnet client software in your computer, you can make a connection to a Telnet server, that is, the remote host. Telnet clients are available for all major operating systems. This is how you can turn Telnet on. Click on the Start menu to open up the search box. Type in Control Panel and click on it once you found it. Next you will search where it's written programs and you are going to click on it. Next, locate where Turn Windows feature on and off is, and click on it. You should see all Windows features and you are going to find where it's written Telnet client and Telnet server. Both of them you will tick in their respective boxes and click on OK because they are all part of Telnet.u. Should wait like 5 to 15 seconds for allowing Windows to make changes to your computer. After that, click on the Start menu to open a search box. Type in Telnet and click on it once you found it. You should have your Telnet. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.